Welcome to the project demonstration of solar wireless electric vehicle charging system. In this project we are using 12 volts 1 amp battery, 2 charging circuits, 1 step down transformer and 1 solar panel, and also here we can see transmitter coil and receiver coil. Here we can see the receiver coil. Receiver coil is attached to this car. So let us see the demonstration. So if we want to charge this battery electrically, so we will use this cable. It takes 230 volts of AC power supply and it will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this rectifier. Rectifier will be convert AC to DC. That converted DC 12 volts will be given to this battery. Then battery will be get charged. So here we can see light indication, which means battery get charging. And also here we can see solar panel. Solar panel is connected to this charging circuit or rectifier. So it is the input of this rectifier and output is connected to this battery. So one doubt will be raised in our mind that rectifier will be converted AC to DC, but solar is generating DC, and again we are giving to the rectifier because due to high polarity of this battery will come reverse current. So to protect in the reverse current for solar panel we use rectifiers. In this rectifiers I have a diodes. So the diode working is it's allow only forward current but not allow reverse current. That's why we are providing the rectifier here for this solar panel, and also it will protect the solar panel, and it is also act as a polarity corrector. You know, here we can see here is a switch. If I on this switch, this supply will be given to this converter which converts DC to AC. Then this transmitter coil will produce a magnetic field. Here we can see the receiver coil. When receiver coil comes nearly to this coil, then due to magnetic field, then this receiver coil will receive the current wirelessly, and again it will given to this converter which converts AC to DC. Then that power will be given to this light. So we have to switch on this one. After that, so here we can see the light indication. When car come nearly to this transmitter coil, then only car battery will be charged wirelessly. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.